We are the light, we are the sound, together rising off the ground. In this moment we're alive, feel the beat and come alive.